Say, what is it? Say, today we're playing with the Gearbox toy. We're going to build a cool robot. And then we're going to show you what we make. Say, yay! Jackson, say, let's go. What did we make? Whoa, you want to drive him, buddy? All right, let's see if he works. Drive our robot. Say, let's drive, robot. Drive him. You love him? Let's see if he works. Watch. Ready? Go. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Oh. Whee! You want to drive him? You drive him. Say, yay, we did it. Oh. Whoa! Look at that. Say, go pick him up. Go pick him up, buddy. Oh, put his head back. Uh-oh. Daddy, help. Come drive him. Daddy, help fix him. Oh, Daddy's gonna help fix him. Let's see. Daddy, help. Let's fix him, and then you can drive him. Daddy, help. Ready? Put him like that, and then let's put his arm back. Okay. Let's drive him. Go. Whoa. Uh-oh. Daddy. Yeah. Wow. How fun is that? Say bye-bye, homies. Let's go.